What's going on? Blue's into it. Here comes Blue. Here comes the wave. Hi, Smiley. You're so funny, Blue. Little lull between the sets, Blue. Little Mr. Blue. Yep, this is your town. So Blue had a another neurological relapse. On Monday, Blue went totally paralyzed again in his rear quarters, like a exact deja vu of January 10th. So we are praying that Blue gets his legs back. But as you can see, he is happier than happy. So as long as he's happy, we are happy and we'll do whatever it takes. Right, Bluebird? Oh, here we go. I know. Hi, you know it's fun. His ears. There's Devlin. He had a big race yesterday, big national champion outrigger race. Injured his right shoulder. Normally 31 miles from Catalina, which is way out there, to the shore, to the Newport Harbor, which is 31 miles, but they canceled it due to the hurricane from Catalina, so they did 20 miles from the Newport Harbor instead yesterday. He got fourth, his team. So beautiful out today. I've been coming here with my Rottweilers for over 20 years. Yes! I used to live up that street on Main. I had a house forever. Going back to Ula, my first Rottweiler, and Oscar, and Lena, and then of course with our Nami, our Blue, and Uller. He is so happy. So for those that have just joined, Blue had a relapse and he is paralyzed on his rear quarters again. Literally a deja vu of January 10th. Happened exactly the same way. Oh yeah, Devlin's shoulder. He's had surgery on both shoulders. He had the, what's the procedure done on that shoulder? The Briggs? Bristow procedure he had done on the shoulder that's bad, and he had the other shoulder done in 2017 from another outrigger race. So hopefully it's not badly injured where he needs surgery. into it. So another set. This is our beach, isn't it, Blue? I've lived in this town with my Rotties for over 20 years. We now have a place up in the mountains, which we love, but it's so nice to come back home to the beach. So Blue, for those that have just joined, Blue had a relapse, a neurological relapse that he had on January 10th. He actually had it right before we left for the lake too, but that was a short stint. This one is exactly like what happened to him on January 10th. He got wobbly on Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday couldn't walk again. So it's the same deal. It took him about 10 days to get on his feet after the one in January. So we're praying that he gets it back. He just has no muscle in his rear quarters. So, but you can see he's happy. He is his old self. They don't know, Vicky, what exactly happened. They couldn't explain it, but there was what we believe a blood clot in his spinal cord, because they did see like what they thought was an embolism, or sorry, FCE, a spinal stroke. But then he got worse, and generally they don't get worse post an FCE. So we think it's possibly a blood clot again. I mean, he's already had 2 CTs and 2 MRIs, so I really don't want to have to put him through another MRI, because essentially there's nothing they can do different to treat him. So we got to just wait it out and kind of repeat what I did last time and hope that he can get it back. But his rear legs, like, you know, he's 13 and he just doesn't have any muscle back there. So, but he can scoot and he can get himself around, and he loves this wagon. He knows it's like his legs right now. All right, I am gonna sign off, guys. I'll put this live up. Have a good day. Vicky, so no, they weren't able to give a cause of what happened with his rear paralysis. Like, they basically chalked it up as immune mediated, but that's really, really odd. That's like your 95-year-old grandma getting autoimmune. So they feel that the cancer is what maybe threw the blood clot, but his cancer, as you know, like, is completely in remission. He's like the first dog ever with this cancer to go in remission, like unheard of. So we got that great news after his CT scan a month ago, and then a month later this happened. So I don't know if it's a blood clot or what. They can't explain it. So no, I mean, I'm $60,000 since January 10th with Blue, and he hasn't even had a surgery. So get pet insurance, folks. Right, Bluebee? Get him, Blue. All right, say bye.